Mm. Ma'am, I have
हाँ,
one question.
yeah, have a seat.
One of our customer
Hmm.
who requires Tele International license
Okay.
for international their branch in Dubai.
Okay, fine. So we can do that. Similarly, as we are selling in India, the Tele domestic license, single user or multi-user, in similar fashion for the Tele international market, Tele have the same silver and gold facilities available. So we can also sell there Tele services, customization, and many of the Tele features over there. So currently we are operating in the UAE, Bangladesh and Africa. We have the partner network in Africa, Bangladesh, UAE, and we are also operating in many other countries in South Africa, and expansion is ongoing process, and we are developing other countries with the partners. So if any tele partner who want to connect with us for the customization, as customization is our main core specialty, we can do the customization for the client over the overseas. So basically, so basically, any international client or partner who want to satisfy the client with the international services like our AMC services, implementation, because for the statutory compliances of the overseas, like Zambian government have the Zara portal, it is similar to the e-invoicing portal. As in India, we have the e-invoicing system, as you know that.
Yes.
Okay, we need to generate the IRN in printing over there in the invoice. Similarly, for the Zambian government, there is a ZRA portal. In that, customer needs to submit the each and every invoices and collect the acknowledgement number, and the QR should be printed on the invoice. So that customization is also done by us, and we provide that. So if any Zambian user who sees this video and want this solution, they can connect us. And after any part of the country, anyone who wants to implement the tally on cloud, because so many companies are having the HO in the other countries and the branch offices in the India, so they need to monitor their accounts and everything, and auditing will be done online. So we also do the cloud setups, like Indian offices having the same tally system on cloud. They are doing the entry from the India, and the USA or UAE offices will conduct the auditing from their offices or in Dubai or UAE. So the cloud setup will help them for any international operation.